ladies and gents, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I washed my type 4 hair in 3 simple steps. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. I'm starting my hair off in 4 sections because it's easier for me to wash my hair in sections in order to show my hair extra TLC. As you can see, I'm wetting my hair because I want to remove any buildup, and also I want to start my detangling process. Water gives my hair such great slip. Here's a close-up so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to section my hair off because I like to section my section into a smaller section so I can start the shampooing process. The shampoo that I'm going to be using today is the Super Slip Sudsy Shampoo by Miss Jessie. This shampoo is great for detangling, it gives great slip, deep cleans dirt off my hair, eliminates tangles and knots, and leaves my hair soft and defined, which I love. After cleansing my hair with the shampoo, I like to squeeze all the excess product out because it helps to prevent buildup when I'm styling my hair, which usually always happens to me, but since I've been using this method, it's helped my hair to not have a lot of excess buildup. And this is what my hair is looking like after I finish rinsing out all the shampoo. My curls are super defined, which I love, and it's just shampoo that's in my hair. I'm just going to continue washing my hair. I'm going to work on my second section, and then I'm going to move on to my third and fourth section. And then when I'm done, I'll be back to explain my conditioning process.
Wanna keep you drunk, wanna keep you drunk, ayy. Wanna keep you drunk, wanna keep you drunk, ayy. Wanna keep you drunk, wanna keep you drunk, ayy. Wanna keep you drunk, wanna keep you, wanna keep you, keep you, wanna 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 keep you, keep you, keep you, keep you, keep you.
Since this is my last section of hair, I just want to give you guys a quick reminder of what I'm doing. So I'm just soaking my hair or penetrating my hair under the water, and then I'm going to rake my fingers through to detangle. And then once I'm pleased with how detangled my hair is, I'm just going to section it off and start to apply the shampoo into 2 sections because it's easier when I work with smaller sections. So right now you can see I'm coating my hair with the shampoo, which I love to do because it helps to remove all the buildup on my hair. And then I just run my hair through the water in order to remove all the shampoo, because when I leave the shampoo in, it gives my hair buildup, and that's what I'm trying to stay away from. So this is just a little quick tip for you guys so that you don't have to encounter buildup when styling your hair. To condition my hair, I use the Aussie Awesome Volume. This Aussie Awesome Volume conditioner is made with Australian aloe, jojoba oil, and sea kelp. This conditioner leaves my hair feeling clean and moisturized, and I love how it makes my hair feel like butter. Just like how I shampoo my hair in 4 sections, I like to condition my hair in 4 sections as well. I feel like the conditioning process goes by quicker, and I love that. Just in case you're wondering, that's about how much conditioner I use per section. Clip is such an epic fail because I couldn't find the hair clip that I had in my hair, but then I realized that it was sitting on my scalp, as you can see, which I thought was really funny, so I included it in this video. To deep condition my hair, I am using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. This mask is made with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. It provides deep penetration to my hair and defines my curls. This mask is friendly towards damaged or color treated hair. Deep conditioning is crucial for natural hair because it helps prevent any further damage from heat and or styling tools, as well as it helps to replace the moisture and vital proteins into the hair shaft. As you can see, after applying the mask, I like to twist my hair. I just feel like it keeps my hair in place and the mask just like works better this way. I'm not sure if it does. I just do this because it works for me and I get the best results doing this. As a side note, if you'd like to see my whole deep conditioning process, just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll make it happen. I'll also incorporate the Q redo since I just recently got it for my birthday. So yeah, just let me know in the comment section. And this is just a close-up of what my hair looks like with the mask. I feel like I look like the girl from Polar Express. I don't know. But I'm just going to take my shower, and then when I'm done, I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like without the mask on. So to rinse my hair out, I just separated the twist, and I am just penetrating my hair with water, as you can see, and then I'm just raking out all the mask because I want my hair as clean as possible. So I'm just squeezing all of the excess mask out of my hair. And I'm just going to continue this whole process until I get all of the mask out of my hair, and then I'm going to show you what my hair looks like at the end of the video. And this is what my curls are looking like, product free. As you can see, my curls are really defined. I'm loving it. You can see the definition and all that. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and comments in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I know it's been so long since I posted a video, but expect more videos coming at you soon. So yeah, this is what my curls are looking like. They're nice and juicy and defined, and I am loving this wash day routine. Usually after this process, I like to either do a wash and go, twist my hair, or do a braid out.